hey, they are xenophobic. Hey, South Africa is asinandaba bafethu, asenandaba manje. You can't keep playing these emotional cards on us. We are black people. We grew up in a system of apartheid and racism. So we also know that even us, when we start losing an argument on facts, we are quick to run to the racial card. So you can't play those emotional cards on us. We know them. You can't be losing a battle on facts and then you're just saying now it's xenophobia. What is xenophobia? I think being racist, what someone once said, black people can't be racist, because being racist is, I believe, hating someone simply because of the skin, the color of their skin. But if I can give reasons as to why I hate that white man, then I'm not racist. I've got a reason to hate a white man. White people came here and started killing and raping and doing whatever, stealing our land with no basis. And they thought they were superior to us. Kungenalutho eba provokile noma no nothing. They just thought on the basis of them being white and us being black, they were entitled to things that rightfully belonged to us. And even taught their kids not to play with us the way they play with other white kids. That's what racism is. That is what racism is. Tina, when we grew up, when I was in matric, or in high school rather, that's when I started realizing, no, there are kids from outside of South Africa, and our parents have never warned us against foreigners. We were never told, hey, hey, don't do this with. So we never had issues with foreigners. But much like anything else, where in a classroom when it's blacks and whites, we grew up like that. The blacks would be in one corner and the whites would be in one corner. And when the foreigners also started coming in, but they would group themselves as according to Tina, we are from Zimbabwe, or Tina, we are from Congo. But I've never even had one incident growing up where you would say the foreign kids were attacked. And that's what xenophobia is. If we were xenophobic, we would have started fights back then with these kids that we didn't realize, who are these guys? Why do they speak a different language? We never had any issues with them. So stop playing this this xenophobic card on us, trying to make us feel bad for fighting. But of course, you guys don't know how to fight systems. That's why you are always going to label us as xenophobic. Because what we are doing here, fighting for our country and fighting for a better South Africa for South Africans, is what you failed to do in your countries. That's why you are so quick to label us as xenophobic, because what we are fighting for here is what you guys should have done in your countries. But you are scared to do it in your countries, but you have the balls and the guts to come and do it here in our country. We are not stupid. So this emotional card that you are playing on us, calling us xenophobic, we are not xenophobic. In fact, you guys, you should stay this one out. It's fine. Do whatever. Go on with your day as usual. Go to school. If your kids are allowed to go to school, let them go to school. Let us do our protesting. Tina, we are not fighting you. We are fighting our system. But you guys can't comprehend that. You don't understand that. This fight is not about you. It's about our systems that are being forced on us, that we are refusing. As if right now. Which is what you guys should have done in your countries. Instead of you guys, if this was your country, by now you guys would be packing and running away and going to Zimbabwe or going to Botswana where it's better. Tina, instead of running away, we are facing our government and we are telling them, this is not what we signed up for. If you guys could do what we are doing in your countries would be better off. So this fight is not even with you guys. We are not fighting you guys. We are fighting our systems. Previously, when we didn't know better, we would burn down schools. That school that you are complaining about, it would be burnt down. But we didn't know better. That's the only way we knew how to fight our systems. So even now, what we are doing now, it's equivalent to burning schools back then. But because now we know better, which no. Us burning the school doesn't help us with anything. What is the next best thing? Let us go and protest right outside of that school. So this is not even about you guys, dear foreigners. It's not even about you. It's about Ramaphosa, the ANC, the DA, and whatever they are voting and signing for in that parliament. It's got nothing to do with you. Don't worry. It's not even about you. Asilwa ni South Africa in the systems they are imposing on us. It's not even about you. Nina, what you are doing now is just aggravating us so that this thing is out of hand. But sit it out. Let us deal with our government. Stop telling us we are lazy. Stop telling us we are stupid. Because now you are just aggravating us. Now you want this thing to turn into a xenophobic attack, and of which it's not. But the more you guys aggravate people, you tell them they are stupid, you tell them you are not scared. Who said, Tina, we are scared of you? When did you ever hear us say we are not scared of you? Because that's what you now want to turn it into. A xenophobic thing when it's not. It's South Africa fighting its systems. But you guys wouldn't understand that because Nina, in your countries, when your systems fail you, you run away to other countries. Ngiyabonga.
Yazi ngiyafisa ukubona o-advisor bahulumeni ukuthi kuthiwane mekusuke kuthathwe inqumo noma besuke bevumelana ngento bathini bathi bavuma bonke bathi i-right decision na deep down kwe-consciousness yabo basuke bebona ukuthi i-right decision le. Ngizokhuluma nge-incident eyenzekile yokuboshwa kaJacinta. Yebo uphumile. Uhulumeni into afana yazi ukuthi yabona mawunenja awulenzi iphutha lokuyinyathela emsileni. Ngisho ngathiwa nizwana kangakanani awulenzi iphutha lokuthi uyinyathele emsileni ngoba yokunqamla amathambo. Uyabona nje nabantu abaneemoto lezi ezigijima kakhulu omaLambogini laba. Mekuwukuthi ispeed sayo sigcina ku1000 ngenza umzekelo. Uyazi ukuthi ispeed angahamba ngaso mhlambe o250 to 300 ngeke ayithatha ayibeke ngisho ku500 ngoba uma enza lokho uyobe edonsela amanzi ngomsele iyomshaya phansi. Yabona uhulumeni uyawaphusha ama limits abantu base South Africa and nangendlela aphethe ngayo abantu base South Africa ubaphethe ngendluzula ubakhombe ngesibhamu ukuthi hlala phansi mawusukuma ngiyakudubula. Ngizokwenza nje imizekelo yabantu asebeke baboshwa. Kuke kwaba khona icampaign ya free education. Abantu ababephambili lapho ngeke ngibabize ngamagama baboshwa. Kwaba khona enye incident yomunye umfo owayelwela uex president engeke ngimbize ngegama. Wayebuza ukuthi wenzeni ubaba waboshwa. Nangu uJacinta ulwela abantu abamnyama ukuthi abantu bokufika asisho ukuthi abangakhona la eSouth Africa kodwa abakhona la eSouth Africa kube ukuthi siyabazi bawobani bahlalaphi athina amaphepha abo mengathiwa benza into engahambiselana nomthetho bayotholakala laphi lawo bantu. Hayi abantu abasana bangene baphume kube kamachanca la kube kampunzi edlemini. Lesinqumo asenzile uhulumeni ukukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi abantu base South Africa akabahloniphi akanandaba nabo. Izifuno zabo akanandaba nabo kodwa uhambisa izifuno zabantu bangaphandle. Uhulumeni uyohlezi ekhetha abantu bangaphandle kunabantu base South Africa. Yabona uhulumeni indlela aphethe ngayo abantu base South Africa iyafana nangendlela kwakuphethe ngayo ama slaves before nje kuze kufika apartheid. Ithathe lapha kuma slaves. Yabona if kukhona islave esisukumayo sihlambe siyindoda kuyabonakala ukuthi sinamandla sine influence kulamanye ama slaves. Babehlangana oslave master. Bahlangana oslave master bafike basibambe basilephe le slave. Basilephe phambi kwamanye ama slave basiqeda le yanto basibulala idignity basiqeda ubudoda ukuthi basicollapse noma sesidayiswa le slave sesidayiswa kwenye indawo. Kuyabhalwa lapha kwezincukhaca zaso ukuthi hayi lesi khona ithema babeyibiza ukuthi hayi lo sesembulele le yanto leyo yobudoda usezoba intotho viyani kusukela manje. Angeke asakwazi ukushaya izwi kade bonwa amanye ama slaves ekhalisa komfazi. Namanje uhulumeni wethu wenza the very same thing ukuthi mekukhona umuntu okhulumela abanye abantu abamnyama udila nabo. Nestatement asikhiphile ke yena ke uhulumeni self uRamaphosa methi abazophakama benze okungahamselani nomthetho futhi ongahamselani nentando yakhe noma nentando yakhe namaboss akhe bazoboshwa. Ibilula nje lento ecelakalayo. Isicelo nje lasilula ukuthi abantu bokufika abangenawo amaphepha ababuyele emuva. isona sicelo akukaze kwabakhona impi akukaze kwabakhona lutho kodwa uhlulekile ukuyiresolve leyo nto hayi ukuthi uhlulekile akafuni enakathandi kodwa uthi ngizodila nani ama South African siyakhumbula kubizwa amasosha kubizwela ama South African amasosha kodwa ngeke umbone ebiza amasosha ebizela abantu bokufika amasosha abahleli ngenkani okubhlungu kakhulu labafana base Nigeria bayachanasa bakhuluma yonke into into abayithandayo ukuthi South Africa is their hometown manje don't tell us about the Zulus they act tough we're not scared of the Zulus ubani ke kothi kuyaliwa ngoba ngeke bayimele leyo abayibuza kwi Red Army eyayingakaze yahlulwa on air on land on water kodwa yafika yaguqa la kaZulu kwasinda uPiet Retief loyo wabaleka ngehasha bangayihlokozi kodwa ke uhulumeni wethu usiphethe ngendluzula usiphethe ngendlela eyayiphethe lo wabandlu lo uhulumeni obandlululo nalo wahulumeni lo wama slaves washo kodwa ke uBob Marley sengivala wathi they changed the picture they changed the frame but the picture remained the same. Ngibingelele kuseswethu seswe country sesiJacinta Mangobe sezuma bengazi nje ukuthi ivideo engiyenzile izohamba izifike kuwena ngidlulisa nje ukubonga nje nesibindi sakho ukudela konke ukudela impilo yakho isafety yezingane zakhe safety yomndeni wakho wonke kukhulu ukubonga kukhulu osenzela khona South Africa kodwa ke ukuthi sibonge phela angeke kusize mina nje benginesicelo ukuthi uyenze iJacinta Foundation yabona nje mekuthiwa sifaka 100 rand siba u2 million u200 million loyo ongabe ukhona kwi foundation ziningi izinto engenziwa ngaleyo mali ngisho kuthiwa kwenziwa imarch kuphuma amabhasi ayoqoqa abantu emalokishini aphinda babuyisele la kuzobe kuhlangane khona izokwazi ukuthi izwi lethu lizwakale nolaka labantu base South Africa lizwakale ngoba ngicabanga nje ama expense ne stress esikhona sokurana imarch and march organization sikhulu kakhulu ne safety yakho kube khona nje avele akhona ama security akhona kugadayo but kungagcini kuba ama expense ashaya wena wedwa sibe sikhona South Africa cabanga ukuthi sona isikhathi manje sokukhombisa isupport nokuappreciate ukuthi kungakanani ngiyayazi ke response uzothi cha right no ithini esiyicelelayo ukuthi siyacela ukuthi iJacinta Foundation mawukuthi khona siyacela ukuthi ama banking details ayo atholakale mawukuthi ayikho siyacela usiphuthumisele yona kunabantu ake bafike lapho kwemasha uthothi mhlawumbe abanye abanazo imali zokubuyela emuva abanye balambile yonke leyo mali izokwazi ukubonelela yonke into obonayo ukuthi iyisidingo ukuthi fanele yenziwe siyabonga nje kakhulu ukubonga kwethu angagcini ngomlomo asike sifake izandla ephaketheni ukuthi imarch and march ibe impumelelo iye phambili kungakhona la ozoke ufisa ukwenze into khona kodwa mawuthi ubuka ama funds awavumi sekuyisona ke isikhathi lesi ngiyacabanga ukuthi maningi ama South African especially amadoda angavuma ukuthi no umqondo omuhle lo ngithathe nje abantu abawu2 million kuphela last time ngale yasensaze eminyakeni eminingi sagcina shona trust about 56 million ngiyacabanga manje ukuthi sibaningi kakhulu noma iCovid yafika yathi kubaphungula abantu kodwa ngiyacabanga singaphezulu kwa 56 million cabanga ngoba ngenze nje example ngo2 million ukuthi abantu abawu2 million mekuthiwa bafaka 100 rand u200 million lo how much more mekuthiwa u5 million wabantu how much more mekuthiwa u10 million wabantu siyacela nje kakhulu usenzele iJacinta Foundation ukuze isupport abantu base South Africa neappreciation uyibone ukuthi ingakanani uzizwe ukuthi cha angikho ngedwa inamba ke izona ezobe zikutshena ezobe zenza ama deposits kwiJacinta Foundation siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangibhodo send message to my foreigners uthi akunanzaba ningasasipita ngokuthi we are xenophobic siyanisonda, we hate our African brothers and sisters, but Limbilena, it's actually not about you guys, it's about our government. lengafuni kusilalela, lengafuni kuhambisa tinto ngendlela, ithini nihlezi nijampa ekutheni ma-South Africans they are xenophobic, kukuthi anati kokuthi i-government kufuneke uyibambe ngetihluthu uma ufuna something. You guys don't know that because nibalekile in your own countries netala South Africa kokuthi nifuna kuphila ngqono. If ngabe nilwile nani in your own countries, bento wati kokuthi it's not xenophobic lo kwendeka la South Africa, just South Africans are fighting for their country. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.